Princess House offers amazing rewards in Period 7. Contact your organizer via video chat to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. New consultants that join Princess House in Period 7 with personal sales totaling $750 as their first active period receive a Tri-Ply stainless steel 10-inch deep sauté pan valued at $179.95. And new consultants that join Princess House in Period 7 with personal sales totaling $1,500 as their first active period receive this 2-piece pH Cook Solution stackable set valued at $309.90. Additionally, new consultants that sign up a friend in their first 2 periods to join Princess House and their friend generates $750 in their first active period receive a Tri-Ply stainless steel 12-inch skillet valued at $224.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.